Welcome to A Day in the Life of a Gen Z Lawyer, Siargao Edition Part 1. Let's go! Today's video is a little bit different because it's my dad's birthday weekend and the fam decided to go on a vacation. Wala muna tayong work and hearings. Enjoy muna. So I flew from Manila to Cagayan de Oro, went on an 8-hour road trip from Cagayan de Oro to Surigao City. After that long road trip, we checked in at Parkway Hotel, and the next day, we got on a boat going to Siargao Island. Travel time from Surigao City to Siargao Island was around 2 hours. Yes, it's quite unconventional, but it's fun anyway. I got to see the beautiful scenery of Mindanao, the lush forests and rich vegetation. It's beautiful out here. Upon arriving in the port of Siargao, we rode a tuk-tuk going to General Luna, the land where I think there are more foreigners than Filipinos. That tricycle ride cost us 300 pesos for 4 packs. After checking in at our accommodation, we rented a tuk-tuk for only 1,200 pesos. Good thing my dad was brave enough to learn how to drive it, thanks to the Kuya Lesser who taught him. First stop, a fan bridge. Dinamay ko pa talaga yung parents ko dito. But sobrang ganda dito at sobrang daming AFAM din. After that, we had lunch dito sa parang food park near the AFAM Bridge where we had lechon for only 99 pesos. Siargao is not that expensive after all. Basta madiskarte ka. You have to live like a local kung gusto mong makatipid. We had our dessert here at Yogi where they serve coconut yogurt. I promise you, this is so good that I think about it from time to time. This one is quite expensive, but it's so delicious. Meron bang nagsaserve ng coconut yogurt dito sa Manila? Let me know in the comments. We headed home, got some rest, because tomorrow we will be having a Tri-Island tour. Follow for part 2.